Listen. Well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. So today's install is gonna be real easy breezy because your girl wanted something simple to slay today. And let me just tell you, I did it. You hear me? Okay. I might have done a wrap on my synthetic wig. Listen, it's definitely giving doobie wrap for me, okay? Like, it's definitely giving I wrap my natural hair and this how we sitting. You hear me? Listen. Oh, hair flip. Yes, we Outre. So if you want to see this beginner-friendly install that you only need a few products for, make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel or maybe you just forgot, also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go.
So nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine on my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're the star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best
What did I tell y'all out the pack? She got me looking like a snack. You hear me? Okay. Now, if you didn't see it from the title, let me go ahead and tell you again what this unit is, because you're going to want to get her now. You hear me? Okay. So again, this is from Outre. This is from their Everywhere collection. This is Every15. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail around $25 to $30 depending on the site that you get her from. You will pay a little bit extra for the specialty colors that you see here on the back. So if you want to check those out for yourself, you can definitely do that. This unit does come with HT lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit, I will say, is fitting down big head friendly, which I'm surprised about because I have tried some units from this collection before and they fit more on the big head associate, but this one was giving me some stretch. Okay, so big head, So big hair gang, we in there, okay? Yes. And if you watch my put down, you saw that I did hook my combs on the side under the wig grip though, okay? We you know, I don't slam them joints into my edges. We still protecting the edges, you hear me? So put them joints under your wig grip. If you don't have one, I have one linked down below. Go ahead and get that joint to protect your edges, keep your wig secure, and you'll be good to go. Just like all the other synthetic wigs, the HG lace on this joint is ashy. However, it did take my creamy products really well. Again, all the truth is in my put down, okay? So if you watch my put down, you saw that I used my creamy contour shade on my brush and just slapped that joint across my hairline, and listen. She got me sitting right. I did top her with some powder foundation just to make sure I blended in my lace as well as my parting space. I went in with a lighter foundation in my parting space, and then I topped that with my contour shade to kind of even that out. And y'all, listen. I can't contain how I'm feeling. It looks like I went to the salon and got my natural hair pressed out. That's how she feeling, that's how she looking. But wait, just know that the bump that comes in this unit is pretty much loose, okay? It's loose. So after a while, she will straighten out. She will get a little stiff based on the hair texture, because you know it's a textured unit and it's straight with a bump. You know, when your hair move, the hair move, okay, it's gonna get a little that because it doesn't have, like, you know, a flowy type of look. But not all wigs need that to look natural, because not everybody's natural hair flows like a butterfly, okay? Or does it sting like a butterfly? No, float like a butterfly. There we go. I was like, float like a bee? No. I didn't have no shedding, no tangling with this unit. Like I said, the install was very easy. The look that I'm giving is very cute and everyday. I am here for this unit. Okay, this collection is for the everyday girl, okay, to rock her wig everywhere. You hear me? Get the wig. Now I do have a braid that's right here in the middle of my head, and I am feeling a little bit of, it's not track. I'm pretty sure that's that ventilated cap that I'm feeling with the tracks on it. So, you know, be mindful of that. I can't see anything. I'm not sure. I may see a little bit of gap in there, so be mindful of that. We may just need a little bit more hair right here because the rest of the hair is full. The rest of the hair is giving real natural density, but this little part up here is it's a little thin. But it gets a little bump around the neck. It's not too much of a bump, so it's not hugging the neck region, which lets my neck breathe, which keeps my neck and my ears ventilated. Listen, yes, okay, yes. Y'all know I'm in Georgia now, so this hot sun down here, it's a little different. It's a little humid down here too, okay? I'm not really used to that. This is definitely given when you wrap your natural hair after a couple times and you finally get into that 4-day look when the curls are not as tight, but they real loose and they just right. You hear me? Yes. Okay, let me come a little closer so you can see that lace. Okay, so can you see the lace right here? Okay, so I tried to blend it in as best I could, so I hope that you can't see it too much. Who gonna tell me this is not my hair? Who gonna tell me? Don't do it, Brenda. Don't do. I know it's a wig, okay, but who gonna clock me? To my face? To my face? No, no. Oh, listen, Okay, I'm here for this. I'm here. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. I'm too much. I'm too much. I'm too much. Dun, 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 dun. I'm ready for Christmas, y'all. I'm sorry. As always, I will put some links for this video down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.